Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to turn on the LED flash on an iPhone when you receive a notification. The LED flash on your iPhone can blink when your device is locked and you receive a notification. This can be useful if you don't want to miss a notification while your device is locked and silent. So let's go into your settings, then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then scroll down again and tap on audio visual. Now within the list of options, find LED flash for alerts. Switch that on. Once you switch that on, a second option will appear, and make sure flash on silent is also switched on. And there you go guys, this is how to turn on and that is how to turn on your LED flash on your iPhone when you receive a notification. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.